first day that I'm having clients at my nail suite, and of course I wanted to vlog this with you all on this crappy camera because this is a very important moment, and of course I need to capture it on camera. So let's pack up everything that we need because I have a bunch of stuff that I need to take, and I'm like in my head and I'm trying to get the jitters out, so I need to be walking and talking while I'm doing this. Y'all, I just had to show y'all this. The Never Full Louis really holds its name. Like, I got so much stuff in here. I got tripods, 2 bottles of wine, cords, all type of stuff, body lotions, soaps, it's just essential oils, perfumes. This purse is truly an investment, and the straps are like really sturdy. I've had this for a few years, so just wanted to let y'all know that if you thinking about getting the Never Full, it's worth it, poo. Catch y'all when I get to the nail suite and I begin to set up everything because I'm all over the place and I don't want to get frustrated. I get fluttered, I get frustrated, and I'm trying to work on that. So talk to y'all when I get there. Whew. Okay, y'all. Turn this music off. I am at the suite and I'm trying not to get frustrated, but I'm so horrible with time and I really need to do better with time. So these are my cuticle pins, you all. I'm going to be selling these for $6, so if you want to purchase one, I'm going to put a link in the bio so you can purchase one. But these are my cuticle pins. I'll tell y'all more about them later, but they look like this and it has a little brush on them. So I'll demonstrate later in this vlog what those look like. So got those in this little jar. So the time is currently 11:28. My first client is coming at 12. So I need to just get everything prepped for her. So I'm gonna just do a little prepping on camera and I'll just like time lapse it for you all. But I can't talk much to y'all right now because I need to get ready, okay? Alright, y'all, I don't want to get copyrighted, but I got everything in there. All of the supplies, callus removal oil, some scrubs, some pedicure salt, cuticle oil, callus removers, oils, soap. Got everything that I need, so I'm all set up for her pedicure and she'll be here soon. Got her wine sitting up here getting the pedicure. I tried to try this jelly thingy. It looks like this, y'all, but it's supposed to be thicker, but my jet is not like plugged up and stuff, so looks like not that yet. Yeah, I'm having fun. But it still feels really good. Yeah, look. And then she's on this little back massage. Yes. You keep making these faces like and then that one area. You guys, like, it just hurt right there. And it get right in it. It feel like it's like it's right now. There you go. Now bring it down in the wrap. Hot wax things. And if you're wondering why her feet is polished, she has someone else do some stuff on her toes. So we just doing some cuticle, some callus care. So let that sit for like 5 minutes. So the pedicure was really amazing. I feel like I'm walking on clouds right now. Like, I really liked the jelly stuff. That was nice. Sorry. The paraffin wax was nice. The massage on the feet and my calves was really nice. When I came in, I had some really concerns with my heels, and now I don't feel it at all. CHAZ was telling me that they weren't as bad as I thought. Absolutely. And I don't even see it anymore now, so apparently not. Apparently not. So please book, okay? Okay. Highly recommended. Okay. 5 stars. Oh, and then wait. Go ahead. Something else that's really important is the environment is very exclusive. Like, it's relaxing. Normally when you go get a pedicure and like a typical salon, it's like a row of what are they? The chairs. But it's just you and CHAZ, and it's just beautiful music. Like, it's nice. It's relaxing. I feel like I had like a spa experience for just a pedicure. So absolutely. 5 stars again. Look at that. Come on now, transformative. What is it? Transformative consultation. Consulting. Adventures with first client, as you all saw, it was my friend Diamond. The time is currently 2:50. My next client is coming at 3:30, and she's getting a pedicure, a full pedicure. I say full because Diamond only got like treatment on her feet because she already had her toes done. So full pedicure. Then at 5 o'clock, I have my last client coming, which is going to be a gel manicure. So I'm feeling really good right now. Diamond really enjoyed her service. Diamond is really blunt, so she's not going to be on camera saying she liked something and she didn't like it. So that felt really good to know that like she liked her service, and her feet was like really soft like when she left, and she was really happy, and her tips showed that she was proud of her service as well too. So I'm just sitting here, y'all, and I am filling up my cuticle pins with the oil that I have in them. I'm going to show y'all what this look like later on. I don't want to use this one because I'm going to sell this one, but I do have one that I use on my own hands in my purse, so I will show y'all later. So just sitting here, I got about like 30 minutes before she come. I've already set everything up, cleaned up the pedicure bowl. Everything is laid out and ready for her to go. So yeah, my cuz came through. Skirt. Period.
Get these feet
about to get our feet together real fast. I had another appointment at 5, but I just pushed it back because guess who was late?
I want to know 20 minutes
she was
late.
She was late. She was like 15 minutes late. So we about to get to this real fast. I'm still doing my cousin pedicure, and it's taking forever. I gotta get better with my time. We started at what, like 3:50?
It's 5:29.
How long is that?
But I ain't getting no basic, so.
I know you didn't, but I'm just not buffing the feet. I was doing her cuticles and stuff for over an hour. But it's the first day, so it's okay. Y'all look at me, I'm stressed. I keep accidentally using matte top coat. I literally just took a whole nother hour to take it off of the toes, and I just messed around and did it again.
She thought she put it away, but
I want to throw that. I thought this was, I put it in the closet and I put the wrong one away. And I'm stressed out because I'm hungry and my back hurt. $5 off. Just wanna love on you. Ooh. Just wanna love, just wanna love. It's official. I have completed my first day of being a nail tech. Completed my first day. I just finished with my cousin, and I need to tell y'all, it literally took a long time. I messed up her toe like twice. Like I used matte polish and then it just messed them up. The glitter was real white and like dusty looking, and then I had to file it off. I had to soak it off. That was like a whole nother like 45 minutes. And then I went to go polish it again, and I still used the matte top coat again. So I had to turn around and double back and do everything again. So the time is 8 o'clock and she got here at 3:40. Yeah, so it took a very long time. I do need to work on my timing. This is official, my very first day. I'm gonna just go ahead and end this vlog out here. Just wanted to show y'all my very first day and also had this on camera because it's a moment to, you know, always have. And when I make it real big with the big dogs,
it's gonna be you book it or you look it. You book it or you book it or you look it. You book it or you look it.
Period. That's how it's gonna be.
Period.
You booking or you looking.
Get y'all pins.
Get y'all pins, $6. I think I told them earlier too, so y'all know. Shipping coming soon. So yeah, I hope that y'all enjoyed this vlog. If you did, make sure you comment down below. Congratulations, Chaz. And I will catch y'all in my next video. And like I always like to say,
you gotta go out with
do more.
Your business card, and that's a wrap.
Do more. Choose the life that you want. Bye guys.
You be saying
Thanks for the continued support, and if you like this video, please subscribe for more videos.